In today's video, I will teach you how to create cinematic movies using tools like ChatGPT and some other AI tools. By leveraging these resources, you can produce high-quality cinematic content and generate a decent income. You can create a separate channel on YouTube and upload these movies to earn a good love and income. So let's kick off our video. To start, we will go to ChatGPT and input the prompt. I will provide an idea for a movie and you will have to write a script with proper beginning and ending, including all dialogues. We will first prepare ChatGPT by letting it know the type of script we want. Now I will type my idea and you can provide any movie idea you have in mind. You can type prompt similar to this example. I have an idea like this. Now ChatGPT will generate detailed script outline for my movie. But now we need more details, so I will type additional information here. ChatGPT provides us with fully detailed script. After ChatGPT generates the detailed script, we will then type a prompt like, I want to generate movie scenes out of images. Please give me prompts for movies so that I can generate images for each scene and character. This means that I will generate prompts for scenes using ChatGPT to make it easier for us to create images. ChatGPT will then provide us with prompts for each scene, making image generation more straightforward. Now we need images for creating our movie. First, we will go to Leonardo.ai, create an account and click on AI image generation. Once there, we will select a 16:9 ratio and then go back to ChatGPT. I will copy the first prompt, paste it into Leonardo.ai and choose absolute reality because we need image related to real life. After typing the prompt, I will click the generate button and our image will be ready. You can choose to upscale and download the image for use in a scene. In the same way, for the next image, I will return to ChatGPT, copy my next prompt, paste into Leonardo.ai and generate the image. While selecting absolute reality, within a few seconds our next image from Leonardo.ai will be ready. We will continue creating our images in the same manner by copying prompts from ChatGPT and generating them into Leonardo.ai. However, some people face a challenge when they need to generate consistent images for certain scenes. To address this, we can click on the image, upload a similar image we want to base it on, type our prompt and use the generator. You can see that generated image closely matches the uploaded one. Using this image to image option, we can easily create consistent images that align seamlessly. Now let's generate the character for our movie on Leonardo.ai. We will copy the prompt and for our first character, Dr. Olivia, Leonardo.ai has generated it exactly as we outlined in our prompt. We can now download our generated character. Following this step-by-step process, we will continue typing prompts and generating images in absolute reality. As we proceed, all our images will be readily available, making it quite straightforward. I have already generated all my images using this method. Now you can follow these steps and your image will be generated one by one. Our next step is to add cinematic animations to our video. For cinematic feel, we can head over to Pika Labs, click on join button, enter the Discord server. There you can type /animate and click on image to upload the image you want to animate. You can either copy the prompt from ChatGPT or type action you want directly. For instance, I have copied the prompt from ChatGPT and pasted it here. Additionally, I have set values like FPS 24, GS 15 and motion 5, which I have explained in detail in my previous videos. Now you can see we have added the animation to our image. As I have typed here, I have uploaded another image. To add animation, I typed the prompt talking, indicating that I have added a talking animation to the video. However, I want the character to talk seriously, so I add the animation again to the same image. I will type talking seriously with same values. This way we have our animation, but I am not satisfied, so I am adding again to the same image. I will upload the same image and prompt talking seriously with a serious face expression. This generates a better facial expression for our character. Similarly, we will keep adding animation to our images. We will keep copying prompts from ChatGPT and pasting them in Pika Labs with same values FPS 24, GS 15 and motion 5. You can experiment with motion values, but for consistency, I am using the same values across all images. Follow these steps and you will gradually add animation to all your images. But if Pika Labs doesn't provide satisfactory animation for some images, you have another option, RunwayML 2. I will guide you on how you can use it to add animations. When you visit the homepage of RunwayML 2, you will find an interface where you can upload your image and generate animations. The animations generated here are not meeting your expectation. RunwayML allows you to add animations manually. We also have another software, ClearPix.com, where you can upload your image and add animation. There are various animation styles available such as circle, horizontal animation, vertical animation and more. By clicking here, you can choose the animation style you want and adjust the animation length according to your preference. You have the flexibility to control the amount of motion as well. Experiment with these tools and find the animation that suits your vision. Leapix.com is another option where you can add quick animations to your image. If you are creating a cinematic type movie and you are not getting the animations you want from Pika Labs, then using RunwayML 2 is another option. By combining both tools, you can add scene and animations to your video. I have generated some animations from Pika Labs. I would recommend that you decide based on your creativity and project requirements which tool is most suitable for you. Each tool is unique in its own way. By using them, you can make your movies even more creative and engaging. Now the next step is give each character in our movie a different voice. We will ensure that their voices are distinct. For this, we will go to 11 Labs as ChatGPT and copy the dialogues of our first character, Dr. Olivia. We will then paste these dialogues in 11 Labs, select the appropriate voice and prepare the voiceover. Similarly, we will proceed with the next character, generating their voiceover by copying the dialogue from ChatGPT. We will repeat this process for all characters in our movie, ensuring each has unique and fitting voiceover. Now we will head to CapCut to edit our movie. We will add all the animations we have prepared according to our script. For each character, we will incorporate their respective dialogue, adjust scenes, trim or extend as needed. To enhance the cinematic effect, we will add transitions and effects as well as music. I have used music from YouTube library. You can see how I am setting the effects and transition for more cinematic feel. You have the flexibility to use any editing software for this process. I choose CapCut for my editing. If you want detailed tutorials on creating movies with CapCut, I can create one for you. So let's see how our movies turns out.
We're not just building a ship. We're building the future of humanity. Our survival depends on our ability to work together.
We're embarking on a journey that transcends borders and species. Our differences make us stronger. Let's prove that unity is our greatest strength.
This is a test of our unity. We need every mind on this ship working together.
I don't trust them. We can't rely on an alliance with an alien race.
We must find common ground for the survival of humanity.
It's amazing. By following these steps and editing carefully, you can create your own cinematic movie, upload it to your YouTube channel to attract subscribers and earn. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.